Right, pattern 2, we're going to do a little bit about time today, okay? So, let's have a look. We hear many times people say, what time is it? Kimung? And then the answer is going to be something o'clock. So, let's look at the clock first, okay? So, on our clocks, there's 2 fingers, okay? The big finger tells us the minutes, and in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. So the big finger going all the way around back to there is 60 minutes, okay? And when the big finger is pointing up to 12, then we say it's o'clock. O'clock just means of the clock, okay? The little finger, this little one here, tells us the hours. And of course there's 24 hours in a day. So on a clock like this, the little finger goes around 2 times. 12 times 2 is 24. So when we say the time, then if the big finger is up at 12, then the little finger is showing us the hours. So you would say it's the hour o'clock. So here, look, the hour is pointing at 3, so we would say it's 3 o'clock. Or here we would say it's how many hours? Hour 6, so it's 6 o'clock. Or here, what's the hours? The hours is 10, so it's 10 o'clock. Or if it's like this, what's the hour? The hour is up at 12, so it's 12 o'clock. So that's what we're going to look at today. So we're going to start with your student book, page 84, okay? And these are the words we use. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. The little finger there is on 1. The hour is 1, so it's 1 o'clock. So let's play the song here, number 2, and let's put in the missing word, shall we? Okay.
What time is it, Mr. Clock?
What time is it, Mr. Clock? The mouse is on the rock. It's 1 o'clock, tick-tock, tick-tock. What time is it, Mr. Clock?
So what time is it? What time is it, Mr. Clock? The mouse is on the rock. It's 1 o'clock. Tick-tock, tick-tock. That's the sound of the clock. What time is it, Mr. Clock? And we can look at these, can we? So, let's look at the clock. The big finger is at 12, so that must be o'clock. So the little finger tells us the hours. So what is this? 2 hours, 2 o'clock. 5 hours, 5 o'clock. 9 hours, 9 o'clock. 3 hours, 3 o'clock. See if you can do those, okay? Right, and let's now go to student book 81, okay? And cool 2, look, what is he doing? See if you can tell me. What time is it? Little finger is on 6, so it's 6 o'clock. What's cool 2 doing? Cool 2 is sleeping. Here, look. What's the time? The little finger is on 3, so it's 3 o'clock. What's cool 2 doing? It's 3 o'clock, he is eating, yeah? What have we got here? What's the time? The little finger is on 12, 12 o'clock. What is cool 2 doing? He is playing football. Here, look. What time is this? Little finger is on 8, so it's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. What is cool 2 doing? He is reading. Yes, he is reading. Okay. So let's put all this together on workbook page 67. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 to do. We've got 6 pictures. Look at the time. There. Little finger is on 8. It's 8 o'clock. What is Tom? This is the boy, Tom. What is he doing? Tom is studying. And then just do 3 more. Okay? So, what is Tom doing here? He is eating. What is Tom doing here? He is sleeping. He is swimming, sorry. What is Tom doing here? He is watching TV. And what's the time? So it's going to be, what time is it? It's o'clock. Tom is. What time is it? It's o'clock. Tom is. What time is it? It's o'clock. Tom is. So there we are. So we got student book 84. Put in the words. Have a look at student book 81. See if you can do that. Just talk it. And then workbook 67. See if you can put the two together. What's the time and what is Tom doing?